Hi guys, it's Ben Heath from Lead Guru, and in this video I'm going to show you how to boost search rankings by using external links. Okay, so something that's very quick and simple and easy to do, but can make a difference to where you appear in the search rankings, can help you move up the search rankings, which can obviously help you get more organic traffic. Very important SEO activity to do. I'm going to quickly show you how to do and some do's and don'ts around this in this video. Now, before I get into that, I just want to quickly ask for you to smash a like on this video. That really helps me out. That would be much appreciated. And of course, subscribe to my channel if you are new and haven't subscribed already. I release SEO related and Facebook advertising related content every single week. If that sounds like the sort of thing you want, then go ahead and subscribe. Okay. So, external links, how to use them, why do they work, all that sort of stuff. Let's discuss this because it is an important topic and it's something that's underutilized. Now, what I've got up in front of me is a website that we own called Deal with Pests. It's a pest website talking all about how to prevent pests, how to treat pest issues, etc., etc. It's something that that we've created that is like a couple of other websites that we own that we very much use for like experimental purposes, and we get to have a play. I find that really interesting. I'm a digital marketing nerd and I want to have a play. What works in search engine optimization world? This has not been going very long at all. So it gets almost no organic traffic at the moment, but we started the process. We know what works and we know that once it's been up and running for a good amount of time, it will do. But I've just come into this and you can see, I said it's a pest website. And I've just got this article up that's called 8 Common Mousetrap Mistakes. You can see actually it's a funny image that's been used with someone getting their finger trapped in a mouse trap. And this has been written by one of our writers who's put this together. And if I scroll down, I'm pretty sure there will be okay, perfect. So you can see here that the green are these links, and this link here, you can probably just about see that on the left hand side, has linked to the CDC talking all about how to prevent infestations of, I presume it's of rodents even. You can see in the hyperlink as I hover over it there. So that's linked to a page on the cdc.gov website that's talking all about preventing mouse infestations and rodent infestations and things like that. Now, why is that important? Why is that something that you want to do? Okay. Well, external links help provide a better user experience. And whenever you're thinking about SEO, we're thinking about improving your search engine rankings. User experience is very important. Yes, you want to do things that Google and the other search engines are going to be happy with, but also the user experience really counts for something. Linking to external sources, high value external sources, credible sources, helps improve the user experience. When someone comes through and lands on your page, they come through to your website, they're more likely to stay, they're more likely to come back, they're more likely to navigate around your website if they find the information to be valuable and there to be useful, helpful stuff for them to access. So someone might come onto this page, they might click on that link, open it up in a new tab, take a look at some of the other stuff, come back. This is how sort of someone's search experience goes. So including high quality external links to other websites really helps. It also helps tell Google and other search engines, obviously, what your content is all about. So if we're linking here to a page on the CDC's website all about preventing rodent infestations, that tells them that this website as a whole, but also this blog post in particular, is to do with rodent infestations. Okay, it is talking all about, as you can see from the title, common mousetrap mistakes. It's about preventing mice infestations and how to cure them and all those sorts of things. So very important sort of signal to Google to say, look, this is what we're about. I want you to associate us with these sorts of websites, put us in this category, and therefore for the keywords that these other websites rank for, these are the keywords that perhaps we should be associated with and we should start ranking for, and things like that. So don't be stingy. I mean, with the CDC, it's perhaps, wouldn't be an issue, but I see a lot of people when they're writing articles and blogs and things, not wanting to link out to competitor websites to talk about similar information. And I think that's kind of small-minded thinking. Yes, you're effectively creating a backlink for them, which can help move them up the organic rankings. But there is benefit to you in doing so because of what I just mentioned, both in terms of the user experience and in terms of how Google sees this as a signal as to talk about what your content's about and help you rank and all those sorts of things. So I wouldn't worry too much about being generous with links and linking out to other websites. Just make sure that they're high quality sources. You want to be associated with the high quality websites. Make sure they're very relevant. If they're not relevant, For example, in this here, the mice in your home happen to be mice species that don't like cheese. You don't want to link to a website all about some person that doesn't like cheese. I mean, yes, you could put in a link there, but it wouldn't make any sense at all, right? It just wouldn't work. You want to make sure it's relevant to the article, to the topic. It's also relevant to the topic of your blog and your website. And yeah, that's what I wouldn't worry too much about. Yeah, but they'll get all this SEO juice from me doing that. That's small-minded thinking. It does make a difference. Now, this isn't going to be a huge ranking factor. It's not as important as getting backlinks to your website and other things that I've covered in other videos. I'll include links to those in video descriptions, various ranking factors and things like that. But it's definitely something that you want to include. How often do you have to do it? Well, if you're writing blogs, articles, things like that, I would make sure that you've got at least one external link in every single one. In fact, you'll see if I scroll down here and we take a look at the, oh no, I'm not in the logged in version, but if you've got the Yoast SEO plugin, which I'm going to have a video about that recently, so make sure you check that out if you're interested. But the Yoast SEO plugin will always say in it at the bottom, make sure you're linking to another source externally because it does help. At least one. So I would have at least one. I wouldn't go mad with it. Don't go and put in 15 different external links to other websites. 1, 2, or 3 is probably perfect for most websites. Sometimes it's going to be cause to put in a few more, but I think a lot of the time that is absolutely fine. That's what I'd recommend. Only takes a few minutes. What I'd recommend is write your article. It's probably the easiest way. Write your article, then go back through and think, oh, I could link, particularly where you've made a claim, anything about any sort of statistic, anything where this is the best way to do something, but you haven't already backed it up. Perhaps you could link to somewhere that backs it up. Those are very common, easy ways to add in some external links and really help you improve your performance. Okay, so hopefully that's been useful. Just a quick little topic for you guys today. Now, before you go, just want to quickly talk about our SEO services. So if you'd like to hand over your SEO to a professional agency that can help you get fantastic results, that is a service we offer. We do now offer SEO services. If that's something you're interested in, what I recommend you do is go ahead and click on the link in the video description below. That'll take you through to a page on our website where you can request a free SEO report, okay? And what we'll do is we'll basically analyze, we'll get in touch with you first, and then we'll analyze your website. We will assess various things on it, things that we think are potential areas for improvement that can help improve your results, help you move up the search rankings and help you get more organic traffic. We'll then put that in a report for you guys together. Now, of course, there's no obligation to use our service after that. A lot of people do. Our prices are very, very competitive. They start from just £350 per month, about $420, $430, something like that. So very, very competitive. And the long-term ROI on SEO services that cost that little are absolutely fantastic. So something I would strongly recommend doing if you're wondering about search engine optimization, you want to get more organic traffic, you don't necessarily know how to do it yourself or don't have the time to do it yourself, we can take that off your hands for you. So go ahead and request a free SEO report. We'll be in touch and get that sorted. If you found this video useful, please smash that like button, give it a thumbs up, that'd be much appreciated. Comment below to let me know if you've got any questions, if you found this useful. That always helps me direct my content creation. And of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new and turn on the notifications when you do so you're notified when I publish a new video. Okay, with that said, best of luck with your adding these external links and hopefully getting some more organic traffic as a result. I will talk to you soon. Bye for now.